Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gell here to share the 3 add-ons for May of 2025. So we have a cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishment add-on to coordinate with our Flavors of the Month kit. So this is great if you want to make your kits go even further and you want to create more with a particular collection. So let's dig in. We're going to take a closer look at each one of these add-ons. The first add-on we're going to look at is the cardstock add-on. And I leave the pattern paper here so you can see the collections they go with and kind of how some collections might intermingle with other ones. So you're going to get 3 sheets of cardstock for each one of the collections. You're going to get 2 of one color and 1 of another. This is great if you want to do double page layouts. So starting with 49th and Market Wonderlust, you're going to get 2 sheets of Lagoon and 1 sheet of Bitter Chocolate. For the Doodlebug Design Butterfly Kisses, you're going to get 2 sheets of lip gloss and 1 sheet of Dandelion. For the Echo Park Have a Great Summer, you're going to get 2 sheets of Lagoon and 1 sheet of Rosebud. And then for Photoplay Paper Salt and Sea, you're going to get 2 sheets of Daffodil and 1 sheet of Beach Grass. And these cardstocks here for Photoplay Paper are the ones that have the embossed circles, which I love that kind of cardstock. So those are embossed. I know that's kind of hard to see sometimes on camera. Our next add-on is our pattern paper add-on. And you can see here you get 2 additional pattern papers for each one of the 4 collections. So none of these are repeats. They are all new patterns. So starting with 49th and Market Wonderlust, you're going to have this paper here called Travel Memories, which I love 49th and Market's papers like this that are like a background paper. All of the mixed media and the work is done for you. You can just put some pictures, some journaling, and some of the extra embellishments tucked around, and you have a really quick, gorgeous layout. The back is this kind of sundial print. It's what it reminds me of in the black, and then there's some blue and oranges up here. Again, full branding strips on their paper, so we have some tabs down here. There was one in the main kit that had tabs. We have another background paper here with the florals. This paper is called Wonder Stories, and the back are all of these antique cameras. And then we have little word labels down here for the branding strip. Did I tell you what that was? Yes, Wonder Stories. For Doodlebug Design Butterfly Kisses, we have this one called Rainbow Skies, which is the cloud with the rainbow coming down. The back is a aqua print, tone on tone of clouds. We have these cute little mushrooms with their frogs and ladybugs on the green. This one's called Mushroom Meadow. The back is kind of that salmon pink plaid design. For Echo Park Have a Great Summer, we have a beautiful floral print. This is the 6x4 journaling cards. So again, these can be used for pocket pages, tuck it in. You can use them as photo mats, use them as your titles and subtitles. We have this paper, Hello Sunshine, which is a blue kind of watery print. In the back are yellow suns. For Photoplay Paper Salt and Sea, we have this, which is tags, and then we have the short tags here. This is super cute. So we had a paper in the main kit on the Doodlebug that was tags, and I had made a comment that it would make a great little mini album type thing, a tag book. You could do the same thing here for a trip, or make bigger pages and then just add some of the tabs in between for a little flip book. This paper is called Relax. The back are all of these big leaves in the orange. We have this paper called Ice Cream, which has ice cream all over it. I love the colors in this. And the back is a seashell design in pink on pink. So one more look at all of the patterned paper. Our final add-on we're going to look at is the embellishment add-on, and I love my embellishment, so this is always a must. For 49th and Market Wonderlust, you're going to get a sheet of the rub-ons. So these will vary among the kits, but mine is lots of different words to be used for titles and subtitles. For the Doodle Bug Designs Butterfly Kisses, you're going to get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have lots of scalloped borders here and different designs. We have a large scalloped circle, lots of little word labels. So super cute. For the Echo Park Have a Great Summer, you're going to get a third a pack of the frames and tags. So again, all of the embellishments will vary except for this one, but you can get a good idea what that is. For photo play paper, Salt and Sea, you're going to get half a pack of the ephemera pieces. So all of this is photo play papers, lots of little word labels and things and tabs, and then some frames, cute little picture here. So that is the embellishment add-on. One more look at your 3 add-ons. Be sure to check out the reveal videos down here that I've linked here for the Shots of Life, which coordinates and you can get more pattern paper and embellishments. If you haven't already watched the Flavors of the Month reveal, I'll have it linked here as well. Check out all the other available items in the store. Join us on the Facebook group and the blog for the challenges and inspiration. We just have a lot of fun over there. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.